Hi, I'm Tabitha Taylor. I'm a business and real estate investor attorney in Florida with Bryant Taylor Law. One of the most popular Google searches for real estate investors right now is Florida land trusts. The Florida real estate is booming. Everyone wants to come here, whether it's for Disney or for the beaches. We have beautiful landscapes, and the real estate investment market is on fire. But everyone wants to know, in addition to just accumulating these properties, how can I protect myself as a real estate investor? One of the best kept secrets is using a land trust. Now, you don't have to be a real estate investor to take advantage of a Florida land trust. You could be an individual, a family. It doesn't really matter. They're available to everybody. But it's a tool that real estate investors generally use because of all of the benefits it provides. Not only does it let you have anonymity, it provides extra layer of protection and so much more. So Florida does have a specific statute that allows for land trust, which makes the process fairly easy. Not every state does it. In fact, only about 8 states, which include Georgia, Hawaii, Illinois, Indiana, Montana, South Dakota, Virginia, all have statutes that specify the land trust process. Some other states have parameters that either recognize or have something similar to land trusts. But then, of course, there's states that don't recognize the land trust structure at all. Well, let's talk about what the benefits of the land trust are. So I mentioned a few before. Florida land trust provides security, privacy, and flexibility to those property owners. In general, the living trust or the estate planning, so something like a will and things like that, that traditionally is associated with a trust, those don't protect you from public scrutiny in the transfer of land. Under a land trust, however, you won't have to worry about exposing your private details to the transfer of real estate, as long as it's done successfully and you establish and execute the details of your trust with an attorney. Of course, you don't need an attorney, but these are a little bit more complex in the way that they're structured. It's not as simple as putting your property in an LLC. So I always recommend that you do it with an attorney, because if you mess anything up, then all the benefits you're trying to get go out the window. Another major benefit is the flexibility that land trusts in Florida provide. The powers of the trustee and the beneficiary can be dictated more so than in other trusts. So not only can the owner of the property name themselves as the beneficiary, but the beneficiaries have more power than the trustees in a land trust. These are all amazing tools that you can take advantage of to manage and transfer your property. Also allows you to stay anonymous. As we mentioned, you don't have to put your private information out there, especially when it's structured correctly. So if you think a land trust is right for you, certainly contact a lawyer near you, or you feel free to contact our office, and we'll be happy to walk you through the process and let you know how you and your real estate portfolio can benefit from a land trust.